Hi, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through some steps and this will give you an idea how to connect your first home and room smart switch to your network. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download an app called Smart Life app. Smart Life app is a super friendly app and has almost all the features that are required for a smart home. In my case, I've already downloaded the app. And also, the sign-up procedure is very simple. All you have to do is punch in your name, email ID, phone number, and that's it. Make sure that you're connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi internet and also you have turned on your Bluetooth. Then tap on the Add Device option. Press and hold any key of your smart switch. Now enter the Wi-Fi password. And just like that, you have connected your first home and room smart switch to your network. Now you'll be able to manage your smart switch on the go. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, stay connected, stay smart.